Alright guys, we are all bundled up and we are going to go biking. It is a winter wonderland today. An absolute winter wonderland everywhere. So let's get this mounted and go for a drive around. Alright, just got to get my gloves sorted out real quick here before we go. It's a cold one today. We have these Arctic blasts of snow that come through. And when it snows, it's like the border between a southern front, which has more moisture in the air, and a northern one, which brings the cold enough to snow as they mix. But once the snow is done, the northern front then pushes through, and it gets bitter, and anything that's wet is now frozen, you know. So let's get set up. I can't take this kind of cold air in my eyes, so I got the goggles rocking. And look at this winter wonderland everywhere.
Hello.
Hey. Yeah. We finished it and it came again. All right, let's go downtown for a look around, see what's going on. What?
Stop at fucking red light like cars do.
Maybe you should drive the speed limit. This is a 20 turn, bro.
I'm doing it, man. That's a fucking stop sign.
Ooh, look at this snowy path. Let's see if we can ride on the snow. Doing it for the YouTube. Oh my gosh, it's so bumpy, guys. Oh my gosh, I don't know how anyone could push a pram or make it through this. The stabilizer, I'm sure, has made it a lot more chill looking than it is. That was a lot of energy to pedal on that. That's a job for an all-wheel drive bike like my little one.